All right, outdoorsmen, today I have the Pro Extreme 4K action camera. A little disappointed that the US Postal Service kind of worked over the box. That's not the camera company's fault, and probably on some level it's not the Postal Service's problem either. It did come in a soft package, so sometimes things get damaged a little bit, but it certainly does not look like it's hurt the camera or the contents at all. It comes with a kind of a action camera, GoPro-esque style camera. It's very easy to open, and here is the camera. Let's see if it's charged at all. It is charged. It does not look like it comes with an SD card. That's not overly surprising. It does have a film over the back screen. Yeah, and it has a film over the initial lens as well, which is a very nice addition just to make sure that things aren't getting scratched up and damaged in transit. Looks like it has lots of different accoutrements to go with it. This one looks like it might be a clip attachment of some type. Sorry, this is taking a little longer than what I expected. Oh, okay. Here is the open end of the camera that you can get things put together, and if it's not a rainy day, you wouldn't need to keep it in the waterproof case. It did say that it's waterproof up to 30 feet. Comes with a charger, has a cleaning kit. Oh, wow, okay, that's a nice addition. It actually has an additional back piece in case you were to get leaking with the initial piece that comes with it. It comes with a second one. That's a really nice touch. Some zip ties in case you need to be doing some zip tying of any sort. And then it has some Velcro straps that if you wanted to, I guess if you wanted to attach it to your person in any way, you can certainly do that. And I think this is kind of cool that it's probably used for as like a belt clip. And then the last thing that it comes with, looks like you can probably use it as a handlebar attachment. I am going to see if I can rig this up to maybe even go on my gun barrel. Probably is not going to work, especially it may very well work on a rifle where you'd have a scope, but for a shotgun, it doesn't look like there's anything here that's going to work for. And then the last little box or container that it comes with, lots of a variety of other attachments so that you can get this camera positioned however best suits you. Final thing that it has, tells you how to get things set up, how to insert the SD card. The only thing that I wish that maybe it did have that it does not have would be maybe an external charging container. I know that I've had other cameras of this size and nature that have an external component where you could be charging batteries while you're using the camera itself, or have them charged ahead and stored safely. Doesn't look like that's an option here. So I'm gonna get it out here this afternoon, and I'll give you some feedback here in a little bit. Get outdoors.